Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Shamapti and I have this famous face mask, mud mask to be more precise with me. I believe this is one of the highest rated face packs over there on Amazon and people love it like anything, and they say it cured their acne, it made their skin smooth. So this is Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay. This is just 100% bentonite clay. That's all, one ingredient. I never applied this before because I thought mud packs are drying, not necessarily good for skin, but I have received many requests to review this product and I have read good reviews of this product, so I am hopeful. So they have sent this apple cider vinegar with this mask because they want me to use this with this mask. They want me to dilute apple cider vinegar with water, then mix it with this mask. I think they said it is going to neutralize the pH. Not going to do this. I do not care for the claims they make about this ACV. I'm not gonna put this on my skin. I have read where people share their experience with ACV, they burn their skin with it, and it is actually acidic, very acidic. The pH is around 2. Now you might ask me that AHA products or vitamin C, this have a low pH, but those are well formulated products, those have stabilizers and supporting ingredients, but this is a raw product. This is pure apple cider vinegar. It is not curated to be used on your skin like those vitamin C or AHA products, though apple cider vinegar might have malic acid or other AHA, but it has other chemical components as well, and it can be very skin barrier damaging, so don't use this with this mask. I don't play chemist, to be very honest, so I'm not going to use this apple cider vinegar. Neither I'm going to recommend this to you. Instead, I'm going to mix this mask or face pack with this thing. Guess what it is? This is matcha green tea. Yes, I brew some matcha green tea, I let it cool down. I'm gonna mix this with this pack. Matcha green tea can be very soothing for your skin. It has many antioxidant properties, and yeah, use this or filtered water or any green tea with this mask. Don't use apple cider vinegar. I won't recommend this. And avoid metal things when you are gonna mix this pack. I'm gonna use glass container, and I think I'm gonna use my hands to mix this mask because I don't have wooden spoon. I had it, I think I lost it somewhere. So I'm gonna mix this matcha green tea with this clay mask. I'm gonna see you very soon. I'm gonna apply this on my face, then I'm gonna wash it off. I'm gonna sleep after that. In the morning I'm gonna leave you an update. So yeah, that's all. I hope it works for me. I'm wearing makeup today because I shot one video today with makeup, and if you happen to watch the video, I'm going to leave the link down below. I had tried few old makeup products, like the makeup products I had tried for the first time, Lakme stuff. So yeah, okay, I'm going to remove all these things. I'm going to clean my skin, then I'm going to apply this mask. So let's start. So this is a classic clay mask, and clay mask, what they do, they draw the impurity as they claim. Basically they clean your skin. I'm gonna use this on my face, but they say that it can be used on your hair, scalp and body too. The clay is very fine, it flies, you know, so handle this with care. And I'm gonna mix this with green tea, then I'm gonna use this on my skin. I'm gonna keep this on for I think 15 minutes, then I'm gonna wash it off. You need to clean your skin completely before using this mask, and I have washed my face just few moments back. I have few irritation here and there because I have period, and when I get my period I have this thing. So this is the paste I made. I think this consistency should be okay. Now I'm applying this mask. Actually this mask soaks quite an amount of water, so they say that you can keep this on for 5 to 10 minutes if you have delicate skin, and if you have normal skin then you can keep it for 15 to 20 minutes. I'm gonna keep this for 15 to 20 minutes. Then they instruct us to wash it off with warm water. I'm gonna use normal temperature water. Rather I'm gonna use rice water to rinse my skin. I use rice water, but it might not suit you. It doesn't suit everyone, the fermented rice water. So yeah, now it's been almost 15 minutes. See my face, the mask became so dry and it is pulling. I get tightening sensation, and they said it's gonna happen, but I can endure this. But I don't have any burning sensation. Now I'm gonna wash it off in a moment. So yeah, I have washed this face mask. I'm gonna give you one tip: use a wet cloth to wipe this because otherwise it's gonna be very messy. My skin feels kind of dry right now. And one thing I have noticed, I was so shocked, it worked on my blackheads. I wish I would have taken a before photo, but I didn't expect this. It worked on my blackheads. I had few blackheads here and there on my nose, and I was shocked to see those were gone. I mean, I did not expect this. I'm so sorry I didn't take the before wala photo. As you can see, my nose looks kind of red too. So yes, this is the next day. I would say it worked on my skin. Look at my cheeks. The irritation is almost gone. I had more irritation the day before, but now it is going away and it worked on my blackheads. I'm like happily surprised, but it made my skin kind of dry, so I had to moisturize a lot. I can happily moisturize my skin all day long. I love moisturizers, so this is not an issue for me. But now my skin is okay, it doesn't feel dry anymore, and actually I like this product very much. But do not use this face pack every day. I recommend you to use this only once in a week. Do not use apple cider vinegar with this. Use green tea or filtered water. Use glass container, use a moisturizer after using this mask, and I recommend you to use this at night. Actually, I'm shocked. I didn't think I would say that. I do recommend this product to you, but I think people are using this in the wrong way. They are using this every day. They are putting too much apple cider vinegar. I don't recommend you to put any percentage of apple cider vinegar in this in any shape or form. I don't care if it makes it effective or not, but I'm not sure about the pH. It can ruin everything, so please don't do that. If you have excessive acne, you can try this twice in a week till your skin heals. After that, you use this once in a week, because too much of clay mask is not good. It's gonna dry out your skin. Don't keep this on your skin for too long. Wash it off when it is semi-dry or it's about to dry. This is cheap. You get quite an amount. It's gonna last me, I think, more than 1 year to be very honest. And people say to try this on hair and scalp. I think I'll try this. I hope it doesn't dry out my hair and scalp, but I'm gonna try that and I'll let you know if it works or not. So yeah, I do love this. And yeah, that's all for now. I hope you found this to be helpful, and thank you so much. Okay, I forgot. Yeah, even teenagers, I think they can use this once in a week or once in 2 weeks. Don't overdo it. Alright, and if you don't have any issues, don't use this. I mean, you don't have to treat something which doesn't need any treatment. I hope you get my point. So yeah, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you very soon. Bye bye.